Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get it, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Today's Friday, so it's always a good time on Friday. Doesn't matter what you're doing, but today's even better because I'm in the shed. Finished work early, so come down here. Jacob's come down for the Arvo. He's going to be doing some more work on his reshell on the two 180s. So I'm going to give him a quick hand, see what I can do. But he's pretty much got it sorted. He's well on his way to getting the engine started. At the moment, he's just switching over the engine looms. And then, yeah, hopefully we can get the SR20 in. So this is just his, I think it's a stock SR20 just with a couple of extra bolt-ons, like different turbo. I don't know too much actually. Obviously forward-facing plenum and injectors and the rail. Some pulleys on the front, that's all I can see. So yeah, we're just gonna finish off finish doing everything in the shell that we need to do. Try and do as much as possible, because obviously it's easier when the engine's out. And then we're gonna lift this up and chuck it in the new shell with the nice new cage that Jacob's been painting, and you might have seen that on his channel. He's been painting this for years now. But the engine bay's looking nice. It's good. It's pretty simple because it's pretty much straight swap. Like there's no modification other than drilling out holes, because someone like welded all the holes in and smoothed it off, which is really nice. It's a big job, so that's convenient. Hello.
Hey James.
He's got a GoPro strapped to his head. It's actually a good idea. But yeah, so it's pretty much just popping it through a few holes in just to mount a few things. Like obviously that's going to go up there, and then yeah, hooking in the harness that he's doing right now, and then we'll be dropping the engine in. The interior is a different story. There's a fair bit of work to go in here. He's got to obviously finish all the dash, tidy all that up, clean it up. He's got some plastic rubber to go over the roll cage where he's going to mount his harness straps and things. But yeah, this is like a drag style cage, which is real cool because it's got like the cross beam at the back. Perfect spot for a logo right there. And yeah, the color contrast is looking real nice, the white and red. And then this is the smashed up shell that has all the parts in it. It's like Christmas morning.
Yeah.
That'll be a good thumbnail.
How good's that?
Is that Power FC?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, nice one, Gary.
What do you want in the background?
Oh yeah, probably the car.
Probably the car. Oh, we could get the Evo in the background. Yeah, so just the harness is the first priority. And well, you got a bit of a water leak, eh?
Yeah, bro.
Fucking Jesus. How weird does it look without a dash, eh? It's just like a steel bar and a bunch of boxes for your aircon and jazz. He's got some vice grips on there. I've got the actual tool, you know. That's funny as. Yeah, it's a bit of 180 action today. Let's get stuck into it. Alright, so I haven't been filming much because it's been pissing down rain, so it's really loud on the shed. And it's just quieting down a bit now, but basically we've got some major progress going on here. We've got all the looms in, starting to actually look a bit like an engine bay. We just got to get the brake booster out of the other car, but we've got to wait for the rain to stop and then chuck that in, and yeah, then we can put the engine in, eh?
Yeah, pretty much.
Pretty much.
Just got to get one more line for the fuel pressure egg, and then yeah, engine time.
Sweet. Wicked. Yeah. Engine time. In the meantime, while it's raining out there, I'm going to play around in the interior, see if we can get the dash in. Look at this, still got a Rego sticker. In Queensland, we stopped having these Rego stickers like far out, what, about 6 or 7 years? I don't know, a while ago we stopped having these. And this is like crazy to see one of these. And you used to have to put them on your front of your windscreen, and then everyone with cool cars didn't want them there, so we always put them on the back. So a bit of history right there. Just gonna see if we can suss out the e-boost too before we put the dash in. And Jacob's just peeling off the rest of the newspaper. But we've got the Power FC ready to make some horsepowers. Yeah?
Yeah, bloody oath.
Yeah. The roll cage actually turned out real good, eh?
Yeah, man. Really happy with it.
Yeah. It's got a real nice like shine to it, especially with that light on it at the moment over there.
Yeah.
Looks good. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. But hopefully we can put the engine in today, that'll be fun. Alright, some more time has passed and we've got the brake booster in, which is it's the bigger, better one off the other car. Got the harness is all done 100%. Had to mount a couple of things because of the holes weren't there, like this reservoir. And yeah, we peeled off all the wrapping on the roll cage. It's looking freaking absolutely beautiful, which Jacob's extremely happy about. And we finished playing around with the dash. We wired in pretty much everything. We just got to chuck the actual dash in. But more excitingly, what we're doing now is Jacob's just grabbing the last engine mount that we need over from that shell, and then we are putting the SR20 in. So that's going to be fun. I took the gear stick out because that was a pain in the ass last time. So I got it hooked up. Just going to lift it up and take it straight down the runway and just send it straight into that 180. It's going to be sick. Alrighty, so the mighty little SR is in. Woohoo!
Yeah, buddy.
How pumped are you?
Mate, I don't think I'm going to sleep tonight, to be honest.
You're gonna sleep like just there, next to the car?
Yeah. Or sleep in the car.
It's actually wild, like, I forgot how small 4 cylinders are, eh?
Yeah.
Like, fuck man, you can fit another engine in there. Literally, it's so much space.
The double SR.
And it was like so light just handling it around.
Yeah.
You know? It's like nice and easy.
Makes life good.
It does. It's a bit small though, like maybe get a bigger one.
A bigger SR?
No!
No!
A bigger bloody engine, mate. You're missing a couple of cylinders off it.
Yeah. I think they fell out of the back of you when I let you pick it up.
Yeah, spawn. But yeah, this thing's coming together pretty nicely now. There's not too much left to do. There's still a few tidying up bits, but we can do the gearbox mounts, the wiring harness, plug that into the engine, starter motor, alternator, intercooler, radiator, intercool piping and that. So
Yeah.
plenty to keep you busy.
Yeah, shit, yeah.
Shit, yeah.
And then the full interior that still has to be put in.
Yeah, the full interior, that's a big job.
But
That's a pretty massive job actually.
I'm pushing for this weekend. So it's Friday now, and I'm pushing for Sunday
To have it all done.
to have it all done.
100%.
Yeah. Oh, not like 100% finished, like project finished.
But you can drive it around the backyard.
Yeah, but like have it done where it's drivable
Yeah.
and it's like put together.
Shit.
That's the goal.
You're keen. Well, we got a shitload done today.
Yeah.
Like, that's pretty good what we've done today.
Yeah.
And it wasn't a full day.
No.
Like a half day.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
2 full days, I reckon, should be blitzed.
Should be done.
Should be done skis.
And then you're gonna worry about like the body kit and all that stuff another time.
No, I reckon I'll get that done this week.
All that as well.
Yeah.
Far out, man. You're keen as.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
I'm going to keep going for a bit tonight.
Oh yeah? Oh
Yeah.
sweet. I'm going up to have dinner, eh?
Yeah, it's all good.
Sweet as.
Yeah.
Alright, well I'll continue this one tomorrow then. And yeah, we'll do some more.
Peace, guys.
Yo.
Come on.